embark on a serene journey beneath the waves without ever getting wet. The glass-bottom boat adventure in Bora Bora offers a unique window into the vibrant underwater world of this tropical paradise. Ideal for those who prefer to stay dry, this 1 hour and 30-minute tour invites you to marvel at the kaleidoscope of marine life through the clear glass of a covered boat. Imagine gliding over a tapestry of multicolored corals, watching exotic fish dart beneath you, all while basking in the stunning scenic views of Bora Bora's lagoon. The boat's glass bottom acts as a portal to the rich submarine flora and fauna, with curious fish swimming up to greet you. A diver will enhance your experience by attracting these aquatic creatures closer, ensuring you have an intimate encounter with the lagoon's inhabitants. The boat's roof shields you from the sun, reducing glare and allowing for perfect photo opportunities to capture your magical moments. Your adventure includes round-trip transfers to and from the starting point by minibus or boat, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The tour operates on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, accommodating a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 22 guests. English and French speakers will guide you through the journey, sharing insights about the local fauna and flora. Remember to bring essentials like water, a camera, a hat, sunscreen with SPF 50, and sunglasses to enhance your comfort and enjoyment. Please note that the itinerary may vary depending on weather conditions or unforeseen circumstances. While wildlife sightings are common, they are not guaranteed. It's important to respect the environment by not touching the coral or underwater animals. For safety and to prevent harm to the delicate ecosystem, reef shoes are recommended. This excursion is suitable for guests who are comfortable in the water and can manage occasional currents. Pregnant women, disabled guests, and those with babies should inform the service providers in advance. Lastly, to ensure a pleasant experience, wear appropriate attire and bring sun protection and insect repellent. Dive into the beauty of Bora Bora's lagoon without diving in. Book your glass-bottom boat adventure today and witness the underwater spectacle in comfort and style. Book with a Bora Bora specialist at Far and Away Adventures.